Hello from Slovenia again. Today I had those paints that I mixed with CraftSmart white glue left on my table, and I want to do another experiment, of course. So, first of all, for those who want to try it, I mixed 70% of CraftSmart white glue to 30% water. This was my pouring medium. And then I mix that 2 to 1 with my colors, with my paints. And my paints for today are my pearl white that I used quite a lot, maybe too much, because I really get this ghosty look, but maybe just the right look for Halloween time, because it's kind of ghosty, because I sandwiched my colors between pearl white, and my colors were Pebeo, iridescent gold, Winsor and Newton permanent rose, Amsterdam permanent red violet, Pebeo iridescent green blue, and some black. And my pearl white is, of course, mixture of Vallejo pearl medium, titanium white, and pouring medium. What I realized with this pouring medium is that not colors, pearl white kind of eats a lot of colors. So yeah, it's not like with my pouring medium or Floetrol, it's a lot of reaction. But it's a different reaction, but it's not necessarily a bad one. So yeah. So I basically just layered them, sandwiched them between colors, between my pearl white. I went with the wandering straight pour, wasn't happy with it, so I did some swipes with black over, and because it looked like a landscape, I thought, okay, let's try something different. So I grabbed the brush on the wet painting that I have on my spinner and draw a tree on wet technique, or how can I say. So yeah, it turned out kind of ghosty, but still nice. So yeah, uh, I will let you enjoy the process, listen to some nice relaxing music, and don't forget to check the final result and tell me in the comments what you think about it. And of course, like and subscribe and share if you like it. So here she is dry because of my pearl white and glue mixture. The tree kind of faded in more than I was hoping for, but it's still, I still like it, and I like the kind of dusty vibe of this one, because it all look kind of dusty and cloudy, but I still like it. So yeah, so this was an experiment for today. Sorry, that I tried with adding a tree while my paints were still wet. So yeah, and I had to use that paints mixed with PVA glue. So here she is. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye.